Welcome to my YouTube channel AgriHub. So today we are now going to discuss about IBPS AFO. So 11 vacancy RTI reply from various banks. So there is a RTI reply regarding IBPS AFO vacancies. So this RTI reply from Punjab and Sindh Bank. You can now check, dated 27 January. Yes, there is mention IBPS SO AFO officer is vacancy is nil. So AFO vacancy, there is nil vacancy in Punjab and Sindh Bank. And now you can check this IBPS SO 11 total vacancy AFO nil. So at present time there is no vacancy. And another RTI, I have received another RTI regarding vacancy increase. Yes, it is RTI reply from PNB. So you can now check this. What is the total number of vacancy from PNB? The bank has not yet identified. You can now check. Bank has not yet identified. That means yet not identified, may be further identified by bank. So you can expect vacancy from PNB, but there is less chances regarding PNB vacancies. According to Anil Agrawal sir, we can expect 200 vacancy from PNB. So but another bank that can increase vacancy like BOB and BOI, Bank of India. Bank of India also reported 24 vacancies, but possibly it can increase near about 200 vacancy from Bank of India. So we can expect total number of vacancy, or you can say final recruitment done near about 1300 vacancy. 1300 vacancy. It is my assumption, but you can more or less 1100 to 1300 vacancy expect. So let's see what happen, and cutoff will be low. You can expect I share previous videos, so it will be now 25 or 27 like that. So prepare well for interview, because this time cutoff will be low. No doubt cutoff 100% cutoff will be low. So prepare well for interview, and there is good number of vacancies. Thank you.